If you always get confused between many and much, this lesson will finally make it crystal clear. Here we have many and much. Many is used for plural nouns. Plural noun is a word that refers to more than one person, more than one idea, one thing, or one place. For example, cars, stars, men, and much is used for singular nouns. Singular noun is a word that refers to one place, one thing, one person, or one idea. We have several kinds of singular nouns, such as uncountable nouns, mass nouns, and abstract nouns. Now let's take a look at the questions below. Number 1, there aren't blank chairs in the room. What is the answer, many or much? Here the keyword is chairs, and because it has plural s, we know that it's a plural noun. It refers to more than one chair, so it is plural. For plural nouns, we said we use many. There aren't many chairs in the room. Number 2, how blank money do you have? Which one do you choose, many or much? Here the keyword is money, and we know that it is an uncountable noun. For them, we use much. How much money do you have? Number 3, I don't know blank people in this city. Here the keyword is people, and we know that it refers to more than one person. So it is a plural noun. For them, we use many. I don't know many people in this city. Number 4, she doesn't drink blank coffee. What is the answer? Coffee is a mass noun. So it's singular. For them, we use much. She doesn't drink much coffee. Number 5, were there blank students at the meeting? Here, students is the keyword, and it has plural s. It refers to more than one student, so it's plural. And the answer is many. We say, were there many students at the meeting? Number 6, I didn't spend blank time on my homework yesterday. What is the answer, many or much? We know that time is uncountable. For uncountable nouns, we use much. Number 7, there aren't blank apples left in the basket. Apples has plural s, so it's a plural noun. For them, we use many. There aren't many apples left in the basket. Number 8, he doesn't have blank experience in teaching. Which one do you choose, many or much. In this question, experience is an uncountable noun. It's singular, so we use much. Number 9. How blank sugar do you take in your tea? Here the keyword is sugar, and we know that it is a mass noun. We said for mass nouns we must use much because they are a kind of singular nouns. So the answer is much. How much sugar do you take in your tea? Number 10, we don't have blank information about the project. Here the keyword is information, and in English grammar it is an uncountable noun. For them we must use much. We don't have much information about the project. Number 11, are there blank books on the table? Likewise, previous questions, we know that books has plural s, so it's a plural noun. For them we must use many. Are there many books on the table? Number 12, she didn't make blank progress this semester. Here the keyword is progress, and we must determine what is it. Is it a mass noun, uncountable noun, or is it a plural noun? It's abstract noun. For them, we use much. She didn't make much progress this semester. Number 13. Shall we take blank pictures at the party? What is the answer? Many or much? It's so easy because we know that the keyword here is pictures, and it refers to more than one picture because it has plural s. So it's a plural noun. So the answer is many. Here we have shall. To learn about the grammar of shall and to learn about its difference with will, watch the next video. Number 14, there aren't blank buses after midnight. The last question is yours. Which one is the keyword and what is the answer? Many or much? Let me know in the comments. And don't miss the next lesson. Subscribe now and turn on the bell.